All right, so we're going to solve negative 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 15 is less than 6. We're going to solve this compound inequality, and we're going to graph it, and then we're going to write our answer as a set builder as well as an interval notation. So first things first, let's note that this is a compound inequality where you have two inequalities in one that makes one sentence. Now, how do we solve this? We start from the center where the x happens to be and work our way out. So we're going to subtract 15 in the middle, then to the left side and to the right side. And then that gives us on the left side negative 3 plus negative 15, negative 18 less than or equal to 2x because the 15s are going to cancel out here. And then we have less than 6 minus 15, which gives us, what is that? Negative 9. Okay. All right, so then the last step in solving for x, we're going to divide by 2. And we have negative 18 divided by 2, that's negative 9, less than or equal to in the middle. We just have x because the 2's cancel out. It's less than negative 9 over 2, and we're going to keep it as a fraction. Okay, so this is what the answer looks like as it's solved. We're looking for all possible values that's between negative 9 and negative 9 over 2. So when we graph it, make sure you label your number line in numerical order. At negative 9, you have less than or equal to. We're going to use a bracket. At negative 9 over 2, we have less than. You're going to use a parenthesis. And then we're going to shade everything in the middle. Okay, so this is what it looks like on a number line. These are all the possible solutions that's between negative 9 and negative 2. Now, when we write our answer as a set builder, you're rewriting the same answer, but you're just really highlighting the value, the variable here. So you're going to say open brace for all x's such that, and then rewrite the same answer. So we have negative 9 is less than or equal to x is less than negative 9 over 2, and close it with the brace. And then lastly, the interval notation, another way of writing this solution. We're writing it as a pair, and we're representing the endpoints. So look at your number line, because this is a great way of writing. Of how you have it on your number line is how you would write it without the number line itself, but our focus would be on the notation for the inequalities as well as our solution. So we're representing the endpoints here. So you have here at negative 9, we have an open bracket, negative 9, comma, and then where does it end? At negative 9 over 2. And what notation did we use at negative 9 over 2? We use a closed parenthesis. So those are the ways that we can graph or write our solutions to this compound inequality.